AGBA stock next week Monday. Is it a buy or a sell? Let's see where is AGBA Group Holding limited stock going for the next upcoming days, weeks, and months. The moment we're sitting at 218 and the price is down 2% or so. Now, just to give you context, I am trying to milk the most that I can out of AGBA. But yeah, just to context, I'm using my strategy and system that's previously given me thousands of wins in 2023. I'm telling you this because that is the truth, and I've documented everything myself on this YouTube channel, this very YouTube channel. So last thing that I'm doing is just blindly buying because that's where a lot of like most of the people are right now. Like I myself, I want to see the price give me like a double break beneath this low to grab the liquidity quite literally, and then when it does that, falls down and gives me the rules, then and only then I'm really taking it higher. This is not financial advice. Like for for I'm not selling you courses, so for free resources and value, check the first link in the description.